Dreaming of traveling Europe without emptying your wallet? You're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering 10 incredible travel destinations for 2025 that are not just breathtaking, but also budget-friendly. Whether you crave adventure, culture, or relaxation, these European spots have it all. Let's dive in. Starting off our list is Bulgaria, an underrated gem in Eastern Europe. Picture yourself exploring Sofia's historic streets, marveling at the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, or soaking up the sun on the stunning Black Sea beaches. Bulgaria is also a haven for nature lovers. Think hiking the scenic Seven Rila Lakes or skiing in Bansko during winter. Meals cost 5 to 7, and charming guest houses can be found for 15 to 25 per night. You can comfortably enjoy Bulgaria on 30 to 40 per day. Don't miss the ancient town of Plovdiv, one of Europe's oldest cities, or the mystical Belogradchik Rocks. With its mix of history, culture, and affordability, Bulgaria is the perfect destination for travelers on a budget. Next up, Romania, a country of legends, lush landscapes, and vibrant cities. Step into the world of Dracula at Bran Castle in Transylvania, or trek through the Carpathian Mountains for spectacular views. Bucharest, Romania's capital, offers a lively blend of history and modernity. Traditional dishes like sarmale and polenta cost $6 to $8, and budget accommodations start at $20 to $30 per night. Daily expenses of $35 to $45 make Romania an affordable and fascinating destination. Don't miss the painted monasteries of Bukovina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or the serene Danube Delta, a paradise for bird watchers and nature lovers. Romania's mix of culture, adventure, and budget-friendliness makes it a must-visit spot. Poland comes in at number 8, offering rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities. Start with Krakow, home to the largest medieval market square in Europe. Visit Auschwitz for a deeply moving historical experience, or explore the buzzing capital, Warsaw. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Tatra Mountains are ideal for hiking and skiing. Meals like pierogies and soups cost $3 to $5, and hostels range from $15 to $25 per night. A daily budget of $30 to $40 is more than enough to explore Poland's wonders. Gdansk, with its coastal charm, and the Masurian Lake District are also worth adding to your itinerary. Poland's affordability and variety make it an unforgettable destination. Hungary is a destination where you can indulge in luxury without the hefty price tag. Begin in Budapest, known for its stunning architecture, relaxing thermal baths, and vibrant nightlife. A meal of hearty goulash or chimney cake costs $6 to $8, and cozy accommodations start at $20 to $30 per night. Daily expenses hover around $35 to $45. Beyond Budapest, Lake Balaton offers tranquil waters and charming villages, while Eger is famous for its wine and Baroque architecture. Whether you're exploring castles, soaking in natural springs, or sipping local wine, Hungary has something for everyone, at a price that won't break the bank. Albania, at number 6, is Europe's best-kept secret. This Mediterranean gem boasts pristine beaches, ancient ruins, and welcoming locals. Relax on the Albanian Riviera, where turquoise waters meet dramatic cliffs, or dive into Tirana's vibrant culture. Meals cost $3 to $5, and accommodations start at $15 to $20 per night, with daily expenses of just $30. Don't miss the UNESCO-listed Berat, the city of 1,000 windows, or the stunning Blue Eye Spring. Albania offers unspoiled beauty and rich history, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious travelers. Slovakia is a nature lover's dream. Explore Bratislava's charming old town, with its cobbled streets and vibrant cafes, or hike the rugged high Tatras for breathtaking mountain views. Traditional Slovak dishes cost $5 to $7, and accommodations range from $20 to $25 per night. With daily expenses of $30 to $40, Slovakia is a perfect mix of affordability and adventure. Don't miss the Slovak Paradise National Park, filled with waterfalls and scenic trails, or the historic Orava Castle. Slovakia's diverse landscapes and rich culture offer something for every traveler. Portugal ranks high on affordability and beauty. Wander Lisbon's cobblestone streets, explore Porto's wine cellars, or relax on Algarve's golden beaches. Meals cost $10 to $15, and budget stays are $20 to $30 per night. Daily costs average $40 to $50. The Azores, with their volcanic landscapes and lush greenery, are a hidden paradise. Portugal's charm, culture, and budget-friendly options make it a must-visit. Georgia is a rising star for travelers seeking affordability and adventure. Stroll through Tbilisi's colorful streets, explore ancient cave monasteries, or hike the dramatic landscapes of Kazbegi. Georgian cuisine is a highlight, with meals like khachapuri and khinkali costing $4 to $6. Comfortable accommodations range from $15 to $25 per night, with daily costs of $30 to $40. Don't miss the wine regions of Kakheti, or relax along the Black Sea coast in Batumi. Georgia's mix of history, landscapes, and incredible hospitality makes it a must-visit for any traveler. Czechia, or the Czech Republic, is a budget-friendly European treasure. Wander through Prague's fairy tale streets, marvel at the astronomical clock, or explore Český Krumlov, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Traditional meals cost $5 to $8, and hostels start at $15 to $20 per night. Daily expenses range from $30 to $40. Don't miss the breathtaking sandstone formations in Bohemian Switzerland National Park, or the soothing spa town of Karlovy Vary. Czechia's charm and affordability make it a top pick for 2025. Finally, Greece tops our list as a timeless and affordable destination. Wander the ancient ruins of Athens, bask in the stunning sunsets of Santorini, or explore the charming villages of Crete. Meals cost $6 to $10, and budget accommodations start at $20 to $30 per night. Daily expenses of $40 to $50 cover everything from island hopping to sampling delicious Greek cuisine. Don't miss Meteora's clifftop monasteries or the turquoise waters of Zakynthos. Greece offers an unbeatable mix of history, beauty, and affordability, making it the perfect destination for travelers in 2025. And there you have it, 10 incredible travel destinations in Europe that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to have the adventure of a lifetime. Which of these will you explore first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more budget travel tips.